Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. We're out in the shop and we are going to be building a custom pipe for the Poulan Predator we've been working on. So we had a stock muffler, I drilled the hole out, we ran it like that. Took it over to my buddies and then we did this highly professional, amazing weld job. And we got some video shorts with it running and cutting. Sounded pretty neat. After that, I didn't shoot a video of making it, but then I took a muffler off of a Craftsman, an older Craftsman, and did some work to it, which I'll show you guys in a minute. Put it on, and actually, I like the way this thing sounds. And I actually brazed the muffler up and then cleaned it. I didn't use like a welder, I just did a torch and brazing. So, did the what did I use? I got one of these small torches there, but then I used the brazing welding rods, nickel silver from Bernzomatic. Seemed to do well. Like I said, I'll pull this off. Let's get a closer look at that. But I want to basically build just a pipe that I can just get 2 new bolts and bolt it on and see how she does. So that is the main plan today. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit the bell, hit all, and let's pull this muffler off. Saved you guys the headache. I already took the 1 bolt out. The guy that made this didn't really think about it. That guy being me. But this bolt, you have to put the muffler together and put the bolt in and then put the muffler together in order to get it all set and in there. But yeah, here it is. Muffler modded up. We sealed up the original exhaust side here. Used to kick out the side. And this actually had a 3rd bolt hole down here. We sealed that up. This thing comes apart. It's a little taut. I had to, there we go. Had to hammer this thing around though to get it to fit in here without touching all the plastic. But then what I did was chopped up the center mount and brazed our pipe in from the inside of the muffler, keeping the outside a little bit cleaner. I mean, you got this nonsense, but a little bit cleaner here where it goes together. But so that's that, and I think we are going to build another one today, something new. And I got some 1-inch tubing here, and I think that's going to be the plan. The only thing I will have to do is I'll have to go get some shorter bolts, but that'll be all right. So pull this guy off. Hopefully we don't lose it. We'll have to buy a new one probably anyway. Let's see how this thing's looking. A little oily in there. She's a little oily. I don't know if you guys can see. Got some light scratching going. Figure we'll probably blow her up pretty soon, but until then, just keep having fun with it. So I got a video on this in case you guys missed it. I did the whole port and polish thing, tore it all down, ground it out some, cleaned it up, put it back together, and then we just been doing muffler mods and slight modifications from there. I do have another Poulan 2150 that I want to do some port work on and kind of take it a bit further than this one. But first I want to build a custom muffler, and yeah, let's get into that. So I've done what some of you might have done or are doing, and I've watched some really good knowledgeable guys, chainsaw guys. I'm still learning a lot of stuff, I can admit that you know, make custom mufflers. Got some ideas and put some things together and said, you know what, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go for it. First thing though I'm gonna do is hoping this 1 inch is gonna be enough. I already started. Banging on it. Now, this piece, I already ground it out to match the opening on that saw from porting it. So basically I'm going to use this as a template and keep checking this over what I'm hammering. And that's pretty darn close. Maybe just a couple more. Couple more of those. that's about what I want. It's over to the drill press and we'll zip zip boppity bop and yeah, get to it. Beveled that in. Honestly, I want to make it just fit in there, but the problem with this is those bolt holes are going to be super close, so I'm going to really have to think about what I'm using for bolts. Probably have to get something that takes an Allen key to put them in and out, but we'll worry about that crap later. So I've seen some videos of guys brazing pipes for chainsaws, and I've seen them welding them. I'm brazing. You know, I'm a woodworker, chainsaw carver by trade. My shop's not set up for welding. I can get away with brazing, though, because there's not a lot of popping and that kind of stuff going on when you braze usually. So that's what we're going to do. And we'll test it and see how it holds up. But if you've brazed pipes for chainsaws, comment below. I want to know how they've held up for you, and you know, how that works out. Alright guys, got it all back together with our new pipe we just made. If this thing works well, maybe we'll get it powder coated. Buddy of mine just got the stuff to do powder coating, so we'll see. There she is, all bolted on though. It gets running a bit hot prior to this. I haven't even started it yet, so this will be the first start with the pipe. So we're also going to do some carburetor adjusting here hopefully as well. We were running over 4,000 RPM at idle. I really want to bring that down if I can, and then we'll see if we can't tweak it from there. So yeah, let's see how she starts. She's cold, hasn't ran yet today. Oh boy. That's a teeth rattler right there. Good golly, she might be a little too loud. I don't know, can it really be too loud? That's a teeth rattler. Holy cow. I think my molars are gonna fall out. Let's see. 10,800 RPM was our max on it. So that's where we maxed out. That's pretty cool. That was fun. I'm not sure how much else we're gonna do with this saw. I've got another Poulan we might fart around with, but then again we might get into rebuilding some of these steels. Got a 271 I want to get rebuilt, and who knows, we might port that out and take it a little bit farther on the Steel MS 271 I gotta rebuild. So we'll see. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit the bell, hit all. Let me know what you guys thought about this muffler build, and let me know what you think about this overall project. Really do appreciate you guys watching. Listen, if you guys want to be a member, you want to buy me a cup of coffee every month, you can do so. Check out that join tab, and I do appreciate it. And have an awesome day. I'll see you guys later. Bye.